Welcome to the 2023 PAASCU General Assembly. Our theme this year, PAASCU in the Light of EDCOM 2, highlights our commitment to be of service to Philippine education. In particular, as an association, we desire to actively participate in defining viable strategies to address our educational institutions' many challenges.
Given the rise of international QA and world rankings, what is now our role, especially with more mature and evolved institutions? Our future and that of quality assurance will of course depend on the shifting trends on the now fast-changing educational landscape. It will also depend to some extent on the outcome of EDCOM 2.
In the past months or in the past year that we've done this work, we have not felt alone, and there has been much consolation because there have been so many partners coming to us, telling us, what can we do? How can we help? We will work with you because we still have hope.
So our task is really to fulfill our respective missions. PAASCU has more talents and therefore has more responsibility. It has more power and therefore it has responsibility, as Spider-Man would say.
I hope that we have hope, but we don't leave things to hope and to chance. That we act and that we be concrete, because now might be our only window to really fix the systemic challenges of Philippine education, and I hope we succeed for the future generation of Filipino learners.